Remember when you had versatility and power all in the palm of your hand. Remove rust from rusty stuff. Trim your dog's toenails. Engrave beautiful images into your neighbors' windows while they're vacationing in Rome. With this WEN Rotary tool, the possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination and federal law. Equipped with over 80 accessories, this package provides a wide variety of bits and discs to meet the needs of any project. Variable speed ranges from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM with adjustments at the simple turn of a knob. The lightweight build makes intricate designs easy to execute, allowing you to carve small and complex designs into glass, plastic, wood, steel, and more. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Cutting. Slice through wires, old glue, plastics, wood, and more with precision and accuracy. Number 2. Engraving. Carve images or text into glass, mirrors, or other surfaces to create your unique designs. Number 3. Grinding. Deburr jagged edges or remove unwanted rust to make old metals shine like new again. Number 4. Sanding. Smooth out bumpy and rough surfaces using one of the wide variety of included sanding bits. Number 5. Perfect for cutting, sanding, polishing, shaping, drilling, deburring, grinding, and more. Number 6. Variable speed goes anywhere from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM. Number 7. Includes a 100-piece accessory set of bits, sanding discs, polishing pads, mandrels, and more. Number 8. Onboard spindle lock makes for quick and easy bit changes. Number 9. Backed by a 1-year warranty. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.